stupid heart. Don't know. I tried to.
Hello, good morning. Today is my first solo MRT ride here in Taiwan. Galing ako ng hotel, so after breakfast ito, tawid lang kasi ng hotel yung MRT station. So, galing ako ng Songshan Station, papunta ako ng Ximen. And sa Ximen Ding, doon po yung meeting place call time for 8 a.m. tour for North East Coast, ayan, travel sa Taiwan. So, ito since first time ko ito, solo, ayan, check natin yung ano sa MRT. Kabado, very exciting. Ayan. So, ito yung kanilang MRT, nakalinis. So, around 7:30 ako sumakay. So, 30 minutes nandun na ako, supposedly. Ayan, ito na siya. Ayan, successful kasi nakita ko yung Ximen after several station. Exit 6 daw yung bababaan ko. So, ito siya, akit tayo. Napaka-organized dito, tignan nyo guys. Nasa kanan lang sila. Ayan. Paglabas, nakita ko na agad yung landmark ng meeting place. Ayan. Yung Watson sa Ximen Ding. And yung van, ibig sabihin successful. Great day ahead. God bless.